Take notes as you watch this video and take a short quiz at the end. Every day, we see many changes happening all around us. Snow melts on a warm spring morning. Your breath fogs up a window on a cold day. And cookie dough transforms as it bakes in the oven. These changes, big or small, show us that matter is always changing. In science, we study these changes and put them into two main groups. Physical changes, like mixing a salad, cutting paper, or chopping wood. And chemical changes, like the explosion of fireworks, the cooking of food, or the rust that forms on the surface of some metals over time. Chemical changes happen when something turns into a new substance with different properties. These changes often give off or take in energy, like heat, light, or sound. We can usually tell if a chemical change happens by looking for clues, like a change in color, bubbles forming, or a solid appearing in a liquid. Imagine a marshmallow being roasted over a campfire. As the marshmallow heats up, it turns golden brown and becomes gooey. The sugar in the marshmallow is changing into new substances, creating that yummy toasted flavor. The heat and the color change tell us this is a chemical change. Now think about a shiny new bicycle left outside in the rain. Over time, the metal parts start to rust, turning a reddish-brown color. This happens because the metal reacts with the oxygen and water in the air, making a new substance called rust. The color change and the new substance show us a chemical change. When you mix baking soda and vinegar, you get a bubbly surprise. The two substances react to make a new substance called carbon dioxide, which forms all those fizzy bubbles. The bubbles and the new substance are signs of a chemical change. On the other hand, physical changes happen when something changes its shape or state, but it's still the same substance. No new matter is made. Imagine a big block of clay. You can squish it, roll it, and mold it into different shapes, but it's still clay. The shape changes, but the substance stays the same. That's a physical change. Think about an ice tray filled with water. When you place it in the freezer, the water gradually turns into solid ice. It changes from a liquid to a solid, but it's still the same water, just in a different form. This change in state is a physical change. When you tear a piece of paper into smaller pieces, you're making a physical change. The size and shape of the paper change, but it's still paper. Each tiny piece is still made of the same stuff as the big piece you started with. Lastly, imagine an elastic hair tie. When you stretch it, it changes shape, getting longer and thinner. But when you let go, it snaps back to its original shape. The stretching is a physical change because the hair tie is still the same substance, just a different shape. Do you think you can identify changes to matter as either physical changes or chemical changes? Like the changes that occur when an egg is broken, cooked, and eaten? Let's put your knowledge to the test.